Hi, it's Liana here. Welcome to my channel everyone. I will be sharing with you easy DIY projects. Keep it here and remember to subscribe. Today I want to show you how to make a wall clock using embroidery hook. We will require a hoop, a piece of cloth, clock mechanism, either from shop or from an old clock. We'll also require some buttons and scissors. Make sure you watch this video to the end and remember to subscribe. After trimming the fabric, I will glue the cardboard using the glue gun to ensure it's in place. Continue watching to the end. While gluing down your buttons or beads or your numbers, ensure that they are well aligned so that your clock looks neat. Continue watching. I will make our second clock using a plastic embroidery hoop. Keep on watching and give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe too. finally I'm done. Aren't they lovely? You can also make these. It's so easy. Don't forget to leave us a comment in the comment section. Bye bye.